This project examines why China scores at the top of the triennial PISA student achievements in reading, mathematics, and science, whereas the US scores in the middle. The program for international student assessment tests 15-year-old students in 80 countries, and promotes itself as the best and the most comprehensive such test. It is graded on a scale of 0 to 1000, with a median of 500 and standard deviation of 100. China joined the testing in 2009, and straight away placed first in the world. The US, as has been the case since the first PISA testing in 2000, scores at the median. But any comparison between the US and China is misleading to the point of meaninglessness. China permits PISA to test in 12 provinces, but allows publication of the results from only 4. The 4 are selected by China and represent the best schools in the country. It further selects the schools and even the students that are to take the test. The provinces are China's wealthiest. If the US were to follow the same criteria, it would allow publication of results only from Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Jersey, and Virginia. It would further select the best schools in each state, and select the best students. A useful PISA finding is the correlation between poverty and school achievement. And among the OECD nations, student poverty is greatest in the US. There are other factors pulling down US performance, for example, truancy and high percentages of immigrant students. So what is the solution? Abolishing poverty may seem an obvious choice. But France, a highly socialist country, scores not much better than the US and sometimes worse. Conversely, Canada, which has less poverty than the US, does score consistently higher than the US. In other words, we cannot tell at present if abolishing poverty is the required magic wand. The most realistic conclusion is that we don't know the solution, and that the China and US's PISA scores cannot be compared. Far from prospects of a US improvement in the upcoming PISA 2021 tests, because of COVID-19 and subsequent school closings and shift to online learning, educators anticipate a serious decline in math scores.